Ordinate is twice its abscissa. Abscissa. What is meant by this? Abscissa means what? Can you please let me know? Suppose a point is given, a point P is given 2, 3. So it is known as abscissa and it is known as ordinate. You know it or not? That is the position of x. It is x and it is y. So it is known as abscissa and it is known as y. Y is known as ordinate. So what the point can be taken? Can you please let me know? Let the point, it is not to be written in the exam hall. You write down let the point be. What is abscissa? Abscissa is x. If abscissa is x, then definitely ordinate will be twice x. It is written that ordinate is twice its abscissa. So I have found the point x comma 2x. Okay. Now it is again told in the question, if the distance of that point from 4, 3. Now you see, so what is given else? Suppose it is the point P, x to x, it is the point, and it is another point is given in the book 4, 3. Another point is given, and it is told that the distance of this point from the given point is equal to root over 10 unit. Root over 10 unit. What is meant by this? Distance between them is root over 10. So we can write here, you write down x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to root over 10. Please let me know according to the question. Please let me know if you fail to understand. You try to understand again. The distance between these 2 points is given in the question as by root over 10. So I have done that. Now can you do this? What is to do now? You have to get a scoring. So we are getting here x minus 4 whole square 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 10 by squaring both the sides. Now normal calculation, it can be done very easily. It is what you see now, x square minus 4 to the 8x plus 16. Then it is twice x, that is 4x square minus 3 to the 6 to the 12 plus 3 to the 9 is equal to 10. That means we are getting here 5x square, it is minus 8x minus 12x, that is minus 20x, it is 16 plus 9, 25 minus 10. 25 minus 10 means plus 15 is equal to 0. Now we can divide it by 5, that is x square minus 4x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, now from this quadratic equation, it can be solved. That means like plus 7, that we will get x equals to 1 and what 3. So what the point at first you let, can you remember? You let the point as by what? The point is equal to what? P x comma 2x. When the value of x is 1, then we are getting P 1 comma 2, right? When the value of x is as by 1. But if the value of x is 3, then we are getting the point 3, 6, x equals to 3, 2x equals to 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 1, 2 or 3, 6. This is our answer. Okay? I think you have got it. I think you have copied it, right? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next math. Another important math. Okay. You see, suppose 13, one very, very important math. If the distances of the point A5 from the y-axis and the point 72 are equal, just I'm showing you. Suppose this is x, O, this is y, x prime, y prime. Okay, it is told a point a comma 5, a comma 5, a comma 5. Suppose this is a point a comma 5. This is a point a comma 5. Okay, have got it. Anywhere it can be given here, but not here because it is positive 5. 5 is positive, so above x-axis it will be. It may be here first quadrant, in the first quadrant, or in the second quadrant because 5 is positive here. Okay, a varies here. A may be negative. If a is negative, our answer will be in the second quadrant. If a is positive, then our answer will be in the first quadrant. Anyway, I have let it in the first quadrant because a is unknown. What is the distance of this point from the y-axis? Who can tell me? What is the distance of this point from the y-axis?
A.
It is y-axis. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so what is the length of this part? Can you please
Of
let me know
A.
what is the? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is a unit. It is a unit, right? And suppose not no need to do it. It is equal to what? 5,
It's 5.
right? It is equal to what? 5. It is equal to what? A. Is it? So the distance of the point a comma 5 from y-axis is a unit. I think you have got it. But if you were told to determine the distance of this point from x-axis, then what would be your answer? 5. I repeat, if you are told to determine the distance of the point a comma 5 from x-axis, then your answer would be 5, right? Anyway, it is not necessary in this math. Okay. It is told again that from this point, okay, we have another point. Suppose it is another point. It is another point. Suppose it is 7, 2. It is another point, and which is 7, 2. 7, 2. In the book, it is told, in the book, it is told that this distance and this distance, they are equal. Now, please try to understand the figure. If you understand, then you can do the math.
Sir, A की 7/2.
Mhm.
So sorry.
Do the math. The distance of Have you got it? Actually, it is given in the question that this
Yes, sir.
distance and this distance, they are equal. Just let me know.
Formula এটা plus হবে না?
Oh, I am so sorry. I am sorry.
স্যার একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল।
Wait, just wait. It is plus. So it is plus. So it will be 58. Okay? Uh, just let me know. What is the question? What is the question? What is the question? According to the question, root over a square minus 14a plus 58 is equal to, it is a. Now can you do it? That is a square minus 14a plus 58 is equal to a square by squaring both the sides. Okay? Now we can get 14a is equal to 58. Okay? That is
Yes, sir.
a equals to what? 29 by, and this is the answer. Important math to be given in the exam. Now we can say that yes, the point lies in the first quadrant as A is positive. Now another question. Is it done? Okay, it is done. Another question. Next question, 13.2. The distances are same math. 4k from the x-axis, 4 comma k. 4k and minus 5 minus 7. Okay? Suppose a point is to be taken x, o, x prime, y, o, y prime. We have a point 4 comma k. We don't know where is 4 comma k. Suppose it is 4 comma k. It is a point 4 comma k. Suppose I am taking here. So is distance x-axis? What is the distance from here? Can you please let me know? What is the distance? Talk to me. K unit. Have got me? And we have another point that is here. That is minus 5 minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7. Okay, or it can be given as it is 5 minus 5, or it can be written like this. It is not that in this way it is to be. It can be like this. In this way, it can be the point. Suppose this point may be like this. It is minus 5 minus 7. Now, can you please find the value of k? Now, you can ask me, sir, why you have not taken the point here, here, or here? Suppose you say if point is taken here, then it does not satisfy. Suppose the point is here. Suppose here it is. So it is K. Okay. And -5, -7 definitely in this quadrant. So is it possible to become this and this equal? It is not possible, right? Now please do it. That means this distance and this distance, they are equal. These and these are equal. So can you write here, write down, according to the question, you write down, according to the question, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5 whole square plus K plus 7, K plus 7 whole square, distance between these 2 points is equal to K. Now solve it. I want to see who can solve it at first. What is the value of K?
Sir,
Yes,
-65/7.
-65 by
7.
what you?
Sir Sajida.
Sajida. Good Sajida. You are absolutely right. The value of K is -65 by 7. K is -65 by 7. I think all of you have done it. Okay. Question number 12, important math. You see, the chord of a circle with center 5, 3. Suppose it is a circle. Its center is 5, 3. Radius 5 unit is bisected at the point 3, 2. This chord AB, it is O, circle C, it is bisected. So this is the bisecting point, and the point is what? 3, 2. Suppose it is D, 3, 2. This is the bisecting point, and this is the radius is given in the question as by 5 unit. Radius is 5 unit. 5 unit. OD is perpendicular. You know why OD is perpendicular? Because it is given D is the midpoint. Okay, it is given that AB is bisected at the point D. So we can call OD is the perpendicular. So from here, you have to find the length of the chord. That is, you have to find the length of AB. Can you please find it? If you want to find AB, then at first we have to find AD. We have to find AD. But we don't have any other option to find AD unless we are getting OD. So at first we have to find OD. If I find OD, then using Pythagoras or applying Pythagoras theorem, we will find AD. So at first find OD. OD. What is the length of OD? OD equals to what? Root over, let me know, OD. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 whole square. Unit. Can you please let me know? 5 minus 3, that is 2. It is 4. And it is 1. Right? That is root over 5 unit. OD. In the right angle triangle, write down in the right angle triangle AOD, we can write AD square is equal to OA square minus OD square, right? I have applied Pythagoras theorem. Oh, I'm sorry, not AD square. It is AOA square. It is AOA square. From here, it is in D. AOA square. Oh, I was right. AD square plus OD square. Yeah, it is absolutely right. AD square plus OD square equals to A square. Okay. Now, what is OA? OA equals to what? OA equals to 5. What is OD? OD equals to root 5. Now let me know 25 minus 5 equals to what? 20. So we are getting AD equals to root over 20 unit. Root over 20 means what? Root over 20 means 2 root over 5. But we have to find AB. So what is AB? AB is equal to 2 into AD. That means 2 into 2 root 5 equals to 4 root 5 unit. Our math is done. Now going to next question. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Our next question is of same style. I mean, uh, only the digits are changed. Nothing is difference. Will you do, or we can omit? Anyway, we can omit it. So we have done a lot of maths. Okay. Now, I mean from 3.1, including the previous day. Now I am going to 3.2. 3.2. Write down. Exercise 3.2. Okay. Please try to understand. Exercise 3.2. Suppose it is P, it is x1, y1, and it is Q, which is x2, y2. PQ is divided internally at the point, suppose R. Condition provided, the ratio is M1, M2. It means you have to mention always PR is to RQ is equal to M1 is to M2. Now the question is, what is the coordinate of R? What is the coordinate of R? R is equal to what? Who can tell me? Remember one thing, when you will find R, then please try to understand. This is M1, write down, this is M1. When you have written this, go there, M1 X2. Okay, M1 X2. Then you go there, M2. When you are going to write down M2, go here, vice versa, X1 by M1 plus M2. It is X1 by M1 plus M2. Okay, we have found only abscissa, but we have to find still ordinate. Ordinate means what? Just for X, it will be Y. That is M1, Y2, same thing. M1, Y2 plus M2, Y1 by M1 plus M2. This is the formula how you can find the coordinates of this R. Please try to understand. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
For external division, suppose it is done, you have copied it, right? Suppose for external division, what is meant by external division? Suppose it is PQ. It is X1, Y1. It is X2, Y2. Now PQ has been externally divided. That means from here, suppose now it is R. PQ has been divided at the point R in the ratio M1 is to M2. What is meant by this? PQ has been externally divided at the point R in the ratio M1 is to M2. It means PQ, P has met at R, Q has met at R. Okay, that means here PR, write down, is to QR is equal to M1 is to M2. But many students have tendency to mistake here. Have you got it? Many students have tendency to mistake here. They think PQ is M1, they think. And they also think QR is M2. Not that. PQ is not equal to M1. Okay. For external division, the formula is, you see, for external division, the formula is here minus, here minus, here minus, here it is minus. So all of you are required to memorize these two formula. If you want, I can show you the proof how this formula was introduced. Do you like to get the proof? All of you. If you want to get the proof, I can show you. Very easy and simple proof. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Do you like?
স্যার দেখাতে পারেন আপনার ইচ্ছে স্যার।
Okay, it is really very, very easy. That also you did in class 9 and 10. Okay. Now you see what we are getting now. We are getting, suppose, again I'm doing, this is P, this is Q, this is R. It is X1, Y1, and this is X2, y2. Now suppose R is the midpoint. R is the midpoint. Then what will happen? R is the midpoint. It is M1, it is M2, but R is the midpoint. That means M1 is equal to M2. They are equal, right? Talk to me. So we are getting
Yes, sir.
formula. Let me know formula. M1 x2 then M2 x1 by M1 plus M2 comma. Now just you will put y. M1 then y2. We are going M2 then definitely y1 by M1 plus M2. Now you put M2 for M1. Put M2 for M1. For M1 I'll put M2. M2 x2 plus M2 x1 by M2 plus M2 comma. For M1 I'll put M2 y2 plus M2 y1 M2 plus M2. Please try to understand. Now if we calculate it, now you see if we calculate it, we'll get the coordinates of R. You see here M2 can be taken common, right? And here there will be 2 M2. So we'll get x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What I have done, I have taken M2 common and there will be 2 M2. So M2 will be omitted. So in the denominator, there will be only 2 in the same way. So this is the formula how you can find the midpoint. Okay. This is the formula how you can find the midpoint. Okay. Okay. Let's try to do some maths. The easiest chapter, but it is really the hardest one. Okay. Okay, let's do some math. Question number 2 or exercise 3.2. Write down question number 2. The line segment AB, it is AB. The line segment AB is trisected at the points P and Q. It is P and it is Q. It is P, it is Q. Trisected. What is meant by this? Trisected. What is meant by this? It is that AP equals to PQ is equal to QB. Talk to me. They are equal, right? And here in this question, the coordinate of P is given as by 3, 3. And the coordinates of Q is given as by 8, 5. Okay. Now you have to find the coordinates of A and B. Can you find it, please? Talk to me. Suppose it is x, y. A is x, y, right? So P is the midpoint of AQ. P is the midpoint of AQ. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
P is the midpoint of AQ. Then we can write therefore 3, 3 is equal to what is the formula of midpoint? x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2. y1 plus y2. y1 plus y2 by 2. Have you got it or not? Please talk to me. Have you got it or not? This is my question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you have got, then please find the value of x and y. In class 9 and 10, you did a lot of maths of ordered pairs. So from here, can you write, therefore, x plus 8 by 2 is equal to 3? Can you write? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, we can write y plus 5 by 2 equals to 3. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
That means,
Yes, sir.
that means from here we get x equals to 3 to the 6 minus 8 minus 2. Here y is equal to 3 to the 6 minus 5, 1. So actually we have got the coordinates of A as by minus 2 comma 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Definitely not, right?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates of B. Now we are going to find the coordinates of B. Can you find it? The coordinates of B. Now you let it alpha beta. Alpha beta. Now do it. What is to write here? Q is the midpoint of PB. Write down. Q is the midpoint of PB, right? What is the midpoint Q? So its coordinate is 8, 5 is equal to PB, P, 3 plus alpha. 3 plus alpha by 2, comma, 3 plus beta by 2. I mean, x1 plus x2 by 2. Again, y1 plus y2 by 2. From here, we can find, therefore, you see how I am going to do. Therefore, 3 plus alpha is equal to 8 to the 16. 3 plus beta, you see how I am going to do. 2 into 5 equals to 10. Okay. So alpha equals to 13. Here beta equals to 7. So alpha beta is equal to 13, 7. So the coordinates of the point B is as by 13, 7. Math is done. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to question number 1 of 1. Very easy and simple math. That is to be done by you. Question number 1 of 1. You see, you have to find the coordinates of the point which divides in the line segment 1, 4 and 9 minus 12. You see, this is A and this is B. It is 1, 4 and it is 9 minus 12. 9 minus 12. Suppose we will have a point. Suppose this is a point. Its name is R, where AB is divided at the point R in the ratio 5:3. So R won't be here. 5:3 means here. R is here. It is 5. It is 3. That means you have to be very sound writing this. AR is to RB is equal to 5:3. Now the question is, what is the coordinates of R? Time 1 minute. You do it by yourself. Don't take time. Who will be the first one to solve it? Oh. Everybody not getting you?
Sir, 6 comma minus 6.
Any other? Will I do it or you'll do? Everybody.
Sir, is it 6 comma minus 6? জি স্যার আমারও এটা আসে
Okay. Is it okay? 6 comma
জি স্যার
minus 6. Okay. Now you see the second math. Number 2. 1, 4, 9 minus 12. Same math. It is A, it is B. 1, 4, 9 minus 12. It is 3, it is 4. Now find it. Be quick. Very easy and simple calculation, you know. 3 into 9 equals to what? 27. 4 into 1 equals to what? 4. By 3 plus 4, 7. Another 3 into minus 12 minus 36. 4 into 4 plus 16 by 7. This is the answer. So why you are thinking a lot? 31 by 7. Equals to what? 31 by 7. Now it is what? Minus 20. So our math is done. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
So it can be done very easily and simply. You should not think a lot. Okay. I am going to question number 3. It will be the important math. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment. Suppose it is A, B. It is P and it is Q. Here P and Q are called, write down. P, Q are called points of trisection. Please try to understand. I mean, AB has been divided into 3 equal parts by the points P and Q. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
It is given, A is given as by 7, 10. And B is given as 10, 16. 10, 16. Can you find P? Or who can find P? AP is to PQ is to QB. 1 is to 1 is to 1. They are equal. That means AP equals to PQ equals to QB. Can you find it? No. Okay, very good. Not a matter. Can you let me know? AP is to PB equals to what? Who can tell me? One is to 2, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
But you failed to answer me. Anyway,
Sir, এটা বুঝিনি, sir.
you have not got it.
No, sir.
You see 1, 1, 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, right? Okay,
Okay, sir. বুঝেছি, sir.
that's good. Now, for a while, you think we don't have any point named Q. Suppose this point is not given. So we have, this is 1 and this is 2, right? Suppose we don't have any Q. So P equals to what? Let me know. P equals to what? 1 into 10, 10. 1 into 10 is 10 plus 2 into 7, 14. by 1 plus 2, comma. Are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
1 into 16 is 16 plus 2 into 10 is 20 by 1 plus 2. Now let me know the result. Equals to what? 10 plus 14, 24 by 3, 8. 16 plus 20, 36 by 3, 12. So we have got P as by 8, 12. Have you got it or not? This is my question.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Got it.
now you go there. It is Q. Then it is not 2. Now Q can be found by using the midpoint formula. Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is the midpoint of PB. Talk to me.
স্যার তাহলে কিউ কি আমরা দুইটা নিয়মে বার করতে পারবো না?
You're absolutely right. But better to use always midpoint formula. So Q equals to 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 by 2 formula. 12 plus 16 by 2. 12 plus 16 by 2. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Is it? So what is the result? Let me know.
9 and 14.
8 plus 10 equals to what? 9. 12 plus 16, 28. That is 14. Is it done? All of you.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
That's good. Okay. Have you got it right? The basic math. Okay. 100% is basic math. Okay. If you don't know this math, then it is impossible to do any math for upcoming any maths. Okay. So I think you have got it right. Okay. Now I have a new formula. Do you like to get it? All of you.
Yes, sir.
It is by me what I'm going to show you. Please pay attention. Suppose this math is given in the MCQ. What will you do? Will you do all this? Do you have any time? No, you really don't have any time. Then what will you do? You see only one thing. This is 7 and this is, talk to me, 10. Talk to
Yes,
me.
sir. Yes, sir.
So what is the difference? 10 minus 7 equals to what? 3.
Yes, sir.
So for X, it has been, I am not going to write down here it. Suppose it is P, right here P, it is Q. This is the math, okay? Now you see, please pay attention. Thus you will take only 10 seconds. If you understand it, then you will get only 3 seconds to do this math. But to understand it, it may take you 1 year. But please pay attention.
So we will add 1 with X and 2 with Y.
Just wait, just wait, just wait. It is 7, it is 10. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference? 10 minus 7 equals to what? 3.
Yes, sir.
So 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts, right?
Yes, sir.
So 7 plus 1. So it will be 8. 8 plus 1, it will be 9. You see, for P, at first we have got 8. For Q, at first we have got 9. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
We are not done yet. I repeat. 10 minus 7 equals to what? Let me know. 3. So 3 will be equally divided. So every equal part So we'll get 1 for individual part. 1, 1, 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Interesting fact, 9 plus 1 equals to 10. I repeat, 7 plus 1 equals to 8. 8 plus 1 equals to 9. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. We are done?
Yes, sir.
And for y part, you see, and this is by me, I am telling you again and again. And for y part, what is given? 10, it is what? 16, what is the difference? Talk to me.
6, sir.
What is the difference?
6.
Yes, 6. It is to be divided by 3 as 3 equal parts. Then we are getting 2 answer, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So every equal part will be of 2 unit. Am I right? It is for y. Now I am doing the math for y. So what is y here? 10. So 10 plus 2 equals to what? 10 plus 2 equals to what? 12. 10 plus 2 equals to what? 12. 12
Yes,
plus
sir.
2 equals to what? 12 plus 2 equals to what? 14. Interesting fact. 14 plus 2 equals to what?
15.
Have got it or not? Just let me know. And this is by me.
Yes, sir.
Really, all of you, please. Don't
Yes,
remain
sir.
silent.
Yes, sir.
Only
Travel
one.
open.
Very interesting.
Yes, sir. So, শোনা
But
যায়
none of you. Yes, I am getting you. But none of you
Okay.
demanded. None of you has demanded, sir, if it was minus
Oh,
or it was minus. You did not demand it, right? But we'll get a lot of maths having minus. Okay? Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir. So, मुझे ना
The math is done.
yes, I hated
You did it. You did it earlier.
Cool.
Not a matter.
Yes,
You will
sir.
get about 1,000 of maths like this. Suppose
Okay.
I am going to do another math. Point of cross section. Okay, we'll get too many maths of this type. Okay. Find the coordinates of point at the LCD. Okay, we'll get too many maths, then we'll do. Is it? Okay, I have got a point. I have got a math. Okay, example 4. You see another math. This is 7, 5. This is 7, 5. You write it 7, 5. And it is -2, -1. -2, -1. Is it? And it is told that this line segment has been trisected like the previous math. It is A, it is B, it is P, now it is Q. Can you do this math? Point of trisection. Dear students, please pay attention here. I told you if you get minus sign here, right? Okay, by the way, can you please let me know what is the difference between these 7 and -2? What is the difference between 7 and -2? Who can tell me?
Sir, 9.
You are absolutely right. It is not 5. It is 9. 7 minus -2. It is 9. But you can tell me this, sir, I can do -2, -7. -9 cannot be the distance. I told you from class 9 and 10 that distance cannot be negative. Can you remember, please? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
I always used to tell
Yes,
you that
sir.
this distance cannot be negative. I cannot tell you that the distance between Newmarket and Dhalmundy is -2 kilometers. I cannot say this, right?
Okay, that's good. So when it is negative, then at first you have to find the distance. What is the distance between 7 and -2? You told me 9, right? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 3 equal parts. So divide it by 3. What will be the answer? 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is 3, it is 3, it is 3. So math is done. We are done actually. Now you just see the abscissa has been increased or decreased. It is decreased. For previous math, it was increased. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If it is decreased, then we have to decrease 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 3, -2. Wow. Have you got it? 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 1 minus 3, -2.
Yes, sir.
Very fantastic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you see 5 and -1. What is the difference? What is the difference between 5 and -1? 5 and
Sir,
-1.
6.
What is okay? 6. Divide 6 by 3. What is the result? 2. 2, 2, 2. Now you see 5 is greater than -1. That means our value has been decreased, right?
Yes, sir.
If okay, then what will you do? Subtract 5 minus 2 equals to what? 3. 3 minus 2 equals to what? 1.
1
1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 equals to what?
-1.
Minus. So you have got it,
Yes, sir.
all of you.
Yes, sir.
If you want to do this math, you will get the same result. Okay? You will get always the same result. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, dear students, in class 9 and 10, you did a lot of maths regarding rhombus, a square, everything. Okay, right? Okay, that's good. You see, I am going to exercise 3.1 again, just to show a math of a square. 7, 6. I know that you can do it. I know that. You have to show the points. 1, 3, suppose it is a square. Pay attention. It is a square. For a while, we think it is a square. 1, 3. It is 1, 3. It is 5, 0. Suppose it is -2, -1. Suppose it is -2, -1. Suppose it is given. Now, can you please let me know what will be this point? Who can tell me? To do this math, you will need about 10 minutes. But I will make you understand how to find this point within 10 seconds. But if you go for doing this math, you will take about 10 minutes to find this unknown point. You cannot, totally, you cannot. Now, do you like to see how I can do? Hello? Though
Yes,
I
sir.
have taken the data from exercise 3.1, but the math is not that. The math was this point is given in the question. The math was is prove that it is a square. The very simple, you will find 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay, if this point is given, but this point is not given, then what will you do? Oh, my same formula. What is 1 and 4? What is the difference between 1 and 4? Let me know. Sorry, 1 and 5.
Sir, 4.
4. That means 1 to 5. 1 and 5. It is increased or decreased?
Decrease.
It is decreased.
Sir, increase.
So it is 4, right? So you add 4 with -2. What will be the result? -2 plus 4 equals to what? Have you got me or not?
স্যার আরেকবার
1.
বলবেন
Very good. It is 1, it is 5. What is the difference?
স্যার 4
4. So it is increased or decreased? Increased.
ইয়েস স্যার
So you add 4 with -2.
ইয়েস স্যার
Now go for this. What is the difference between 3 and 0?
Sir, 3.
Now the value is increased or decreased here.
Sir, decrease.
So if it is decreased, then it will be also decreased. So -1, and it is decreased by 3. That is -3. So it is -4. Math is done. Have you got me or not? If a question is given, then this point will not be given. We'll tell you, question number A, find this line or this line. Then I'll tell you, find this point. Then I'll tell you, prove that it is a square. I think you've got me. Suppose it is A, B, C, D. What will I do or we do, you know? At first, it won't be given. I will tell find AB, find AD, 2 marks. Then I'll tell you find C. Then I'll tell you prove that ABCD is a square. Now let me know, have you got it or not? Please, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
স্যার আমরা যদি এটা AD ধরে করতাম তাহলে হতো না?
Of course, you are absolutely right. Who are you?
Sir, Johanna.
Oh my God. Okay, anyway. Now, suppose it is a rhombus. Number 5, a math rhombus. Suppose it is a rhombus, okay? Now, it is 3, -5. It is 9, 10. It is 9, 10. It is, suppose 3, can you see? Yes, 3, 25. Now you have to find this point. Find it. Okay, you see? Okay, you see, please. 9 minus 3 equals to what? You go with me. You go with me. 9 minus 3 equals to what? Talk to me.
Sir, 6.
It is decreased or increased?
Sir, decrease.
So you have to have 3 minus 6, this 3. As it is decreased, so it is -3. Have you got it or not? Let me know, please. All of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir, got it.
Okay, now you again see. It is 10. It is 25. What is the difference?
15.
Sir, 15.
Increased or decreased?
Increase, sir.
Yes, it is increased. Okay. So 15. So you have to get -5 plus 15. -5. If it is increased, positive, I mean addition, If it is decreased, then it is subtraction. So -5 plus 50 equals to what? 10. Okay. If you don't know how to do this in the exam hall for MCQ, then you know what is to do. You have to add this, join this. You have to find this. Okay. Then a lot of calculations you have to go under. A lot of calculations. Okay. Can we do another math? Okay. For rectangle. Now you will find it. It is a rectangle. Okay. Suppose it is given 2 minus 2. Suppose it is 2 minus 2. Then it is 8, 4. 8, 4. Then it is 5, 7. Now can you find this point? Okay, don't be intense. Suppose I'll go from here to there. Okay, so we have to calculate from here. 8 minus 2 equals to what? 6. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 minus 2 equals to what? 6, right? Now it is increased or decreased? Decreased. So you have to take 5 minus 6 equals to -1. So we have got -1. Yes, it is -1. Now, what is the difference between 4 and -2? Let me know. 4 and -2, what is the difference?
6.
6. Good, that's good. So 4, 6, that is, it is decreased or increased? Decreased. So 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So we have got our answer.